I'm going to put a plastic trim tool in here and pry out on this piece on the grill. Remove that. It's clipped into the headlights here. That's why I'm taking that off. Now with this piece off of here, I'm going to go ahead and remove these two 7mm bolts that are at the top. And there actually is supposed to be another bolt, a 10mm straight down here. If you look, mine is actually missing. So it's actually supposed to go right in that hole. Mine is missing. I have one that I'll put in for the new headlight, but if yours is still there, go ahead and take it out. Now you can take the headlight assembly, wiggle it up and out. I kind of pulled it at an angle like that, and it unwedged itself. Now you can disconnect all of your bulbs. Okay, this one I'll just unplug the bulb with the socket. A lot of times these connectors get really stuffed up with sand, so it gets kind of hard to disconnect them. All right, there we go. Here's your old headlight assembly. This is a perfect time to replace any bulbs that you might want to replace or transfer over your old ones. And before I install it, I just want to point out that this is the adjuster. This is what's going to adjust your beam once the headlight is installed. Now go ahead and reconnect all of your bulb connections. All right, take the headlight assembly, slide it in. Line it up. Let's get in the two bolts. Start in your two bolts up top. Snug them up. Don't make these too tight because they'll break. They're very small. Awesome. And now let's do the one down below. And, now go ahead and tighten this one up. Oops. Now you can slide this piece on. Perfect.
This is going to be a general tutorial on how to aim your brand new TRQ headlamp assemblies. Okay, so looking at your brand new TRQ headlamp assembly, you're going to see where your low beam is, and you'll see a little dot right in the center. And that is the access point, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to mark that with an erasable marker, just so it's easier to see. Next, what we need to do is measure from the level ground up to this point and take note of that measurement. Now we're just going to pull the car up to our wall. On our vehicle, we remember that the measurement was 28 inches for our access point. Your vehicle may be different, but that's where I'm going to put this tape, just above that 28 inches. We'll do the same on the other side. Okay, so let's just back the vehicle up, straight back 25 feet from the wall. And now that we moved our vehicle 25 feet back from the wall, we're going to start with our measurement here. That's where the headlamp center is. We're going to go down 4 inches on the driver's side. On the passenger side, we have our line here. What we need to do is go down 2 inches. To adjust the driver's side, we're going to cover our passenger side headlamp. If you look at the back side of your headlamp assembly, you're going to see something that looks like this. This is the adjustment. Some of these headlight assemblies have 1, 2, or even more of them, but you should at least have one. This is how we're going to adjust the headlight beam. Now we're going to lower the top part of the beam down to just below this line. When you turn the adjustment to the right, it brings the beam up, and if you turn it to the left, it'll bring the headlight beam down. And this is this way on most vehicles. Let's continue on to doing the passenger side. All right, we properly aligned our TRQ headlamp assemblies. Okay, and on the quality TRQ headlamps for a pickup truck, the procedure is going to be the same. You're going to find your center dot, mark it, and then you'll measure from the level ground up to your dot. So once your headlamps are properly adjusted, it'll be time to adjust your fog lamps. You'll notice on the driver's side, the focal point is all the way at the bottom right now. I would like to bring it up so it meets up with approximately the bottom of the focal point of the headlight. Some fog lamps have an adjuster, others don't. The ones that do have an adjuster, you would just turn the adjustment to the left or to the right to adjust the beam up and down to where it needs to be. Now with your TRQ headlamps and fog lamps properly aligned, you can drive down the road safely.